For the course demo project, we'll be exploring the use of piezoelectric materials in nebulizers. Piezoelectric material works by expanding and contracting based on the voltage applied. Here we have a few cylinders that I've drawn out and three circumstances that those cylinders are experiencing. One of which is a voltage applied in the opposite that of the material's poling axis. In the middle is a voltage that's applied in the same direction as the material's poling axis, and over to the right we have an alternating voltage that will cause the material to expand and contract, thus creating a motor action. Motor action is when an electrical energy is applied to create some kind of mechanical energy. In this case, the mechanical energy produced is vibration. To be able to evaluate these piezoelectric devices, I've purchased a Vicks filter-free cool mist vaporizer. The vaporizer, which I'll show later in this video, has a single piezoelectric disc that vibrates at a very high frequency, so high in fact that human ears cannot hear it. And that frequency, or that vibration, causes the water to turn from a liquid into a mist. The amount of water vapor you want to produce can be controlled by this dial that sweeps back and forth and can turn the device on and off altogether. This pin here is in place to raise this plastic float so that the piezoelectric element, which is right here, will activate. The reason that float is there is essentially a safety mechanism to make sure that the piezoelectric element isn't activated and doing its job when there's no water for it to vaporize. When I turn this up, notice that there's almost instantly a significant mist that's created. The amount of power has gone up to 30.3 volt amps or 19.6 watts. 0.24 amps, about 123 volts, and exactly, or right around 60 hertz, which is to be expected. In conclusion, our test showed that a piezoelectric element is able to turn liquid water into water vapor at a rate of 1.8 grams per minute using only 30 volt amps of power, and did not create a significant increase in the water temperature. For that reason, piezoelectric elements be viable for use in nebulizers.